welcome to episode number 1 of how to shoot art videos. In this video, I'm going to be talking about camera setup. You have tons of options. At the end of the day, it's kind of like parenting. You just have to do whatever works for you, but there are a certain number of camera aspects that are non-negotiable, at least to me, and I want to show you today what they are. Okay, so the most important thing that you need to have when you're shooting videos is a tripod. Now, I've seen a lot of artists that rig up these like fantastical PVC piping things and their camera is dangling on them. If you like that setup, do it. Far be it for me to correct you on that. But what I need to see is a nice, sturdy tripod base. Okay, I do a lot of my backgrounds on doing spray painting in my garage, and having my camera on a tripod, instead of some crazy PVC setup, is that I can literally grab this, run it into my garage, and keep filming and not skip a beat. So there is my tripod. I will find a good one and link to it in the description box. And here is my camera. What is absolutely 1000% non-negotiable for me is having a viewfinder. I need to be able to see what in the heck I am filming, and this little doodad does that for me. If I can't see what I'm seeing, how the heck do I know that it's working? Okay, so see, I can see myself. Now, my camera clicks into this base of the tripod. And what this arm allows me to do is bend this downwards. Okay? So now I can see exactly what I'm filming. Okay? So without that lever, I don't know how in the world you would know what you're filming. Okay? And I also know some artists have like rigged up mirrors. If they don't have this, they rig up a mirror overhead so they can see, which I think would work temporarily. But at the end of the day, if I'm going to tell you to buy a piece of equipment for this entire series, it has got to be a camera or a camcorder with a screen that flips out so you can see. It's so important. If I'm zooming in on something, I know exactly what you're seeing. Okay, the whole point of video is to shoot video, right? And if we're not seeing it correctly, how the heck is our students and our followers going to see us? Okay, so that is huge. Having number 1, tripod, and number 2, a camera with a viewfinder on it. Absolutely non-negotiable. Okay, this piece of equipment is a microphone that just plugs into the little auxiliary mic button on the side here. Okay, it just plugs in. And then this gives me better acoustics this is when I'm shooting live real-time videos. I can chat. My face is literally just a few inches from this microphone at all times, and it picks up sound much better. Is this a must? No. Okay, so again, the camera trumps the microphone, and the camera trumps lighting, and the camera pretty much trumps everything. So again, if you need to buy anything, it is only the camera. Okay, and so this way I have eyeballs. Now, a lot of people say you can see the tripod legs. All you need to do is mess with this a little bit and see how you can make those adjustments. If you've noticed, I cannot see my tripod legs in my camera. Okay, I can see them a little bit, so then I would know I can adjust this out, change the tilt on this slightly, and then the camera no longer sees them. If I zoom in, there are no tripod legs sticking it. Okay, and like I said, if I need to run to my garage, I can run and take this tripod with me. All of these backgrounds I spray painted. Okay, so you can just grab this and go. And that is what I have for camera setup. It gives you absolute flexibility. The tripod legs extend. This neck extends up. You can pretty much get any view that you need to from your awesome little tripod and using the viewfinder on your camera. I will link to my camera in the description box and the tripod, and as well as the microphone. But again, you can live without this. You cannot live without this. And you cannot live without this. And everything else is optional and or free. So I will see you in the next video when we're going to talk about lighting. Thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe so you can find these video series again. I'll also have them in a playlist on my YouTube channel, as well as for free at awesomeartschool.com. All right, you guys, let's see you in the next video for camera lighting.